Good day, everyone. Um, Today we have Vincent with us, and we'll be looking at chapter 6 of Git and GitHub Crash Course. And today we're looking at detecting changes with Git status. All right. Well, this is a brief chapter. Yeah. The Git status command is used to check the status of Git repository and see which changes have been detected. So these are the key takeaways. It's a continuous monitoring. Git continual Git constantly tracks the files within a project directory. Running Git status at any point provides a clear summary of which files are new, modified, or deleted. Another key takeaway is detecting modifications. If you edit existing files in a cloned or initialized repository, for example, the ones that we did the other time, let's go and look at those examples in here. We have yeah. So this is the one we cloned the other time. Let me open it with VS Code so we have a look. So if you remember, this is what we cloned the other time from the cloud. So let's open this. Okay. I want to open it with integrated terminal and let's see. Well, I think Bash will be a good option because that's related to Git. So we are in Bash now. So this is we can check by using the Git status. So you can see that our branch is clean. There's no new modifications that has been done or deleted or added. So that's what we have in here. So so those are the two examples that are in the Git in the VS Code. The hello.txt and the notes.txt. Those are the two files that we have in here. Okay. So the third key takeaway is that real-world utility. A large project involve multiple files. This command is essential for keeping track of all concurrent changes in your working directory before committing them. Yeah. Chapter context notes. Git repositories are either initialized locally from scratch or cloned. If you remember, if you watch the previous video on chapter 4, you see how we cloned and we were able to also initialize from other previous chapters. So those are the two ways we could get our remote repositories to our local machine. So using the Git status, once the repositories exist, when we use the Git status, it's the primary tool used to view changes that we made to them. Yeah. So let's try making some changes. Then we check using Git status. For instance, we come into this file and let's say I change it from hello to, let's say, hi. Now, after that, let's check Git status. Now we can see over here that hello has been modified. Now, in case I delete text, let's say I delete it from there, and let's check Git status. We can see that it has been deleted. So whatever we do, Git status helps us to track whatever has been changed in there. And also with VS Code, we have a built-in that allows us to see the blue telling us that this is the new stuff that we've added to it. Yeah. But for now, I wouldn't like to make changes to those original files. So let's revert all of those. Okay, so we have our original here. So that's the gist of Git status. That's what we do. Thank you guys for joining us, and thank you, Vincent, as well, for being here to see
No problem.
the text. Okay, thank you.